to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part. It's going to be completely exact, but it's just the accompaniment piano part to Foundations by Kate Nash. So I think this is probably a song that's much bigger in the UK than anywhere else. It was famously used a lot on the Inbetweeners. It's the same 4 chords, it's used throughout the whole song. We don't need any of the black keys. This would be suitable for beginners. I have left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well, and I will just attempt to sing each section. And I'll also put on my best London accent, because obviously I'm not from London. Here is middle C. As a reference, if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. The first chord we need for the intro is C major. Again, here is middle C, so it's root position, so it's C, E, and G. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to move that shape, so just in shot, to F major root position, which is F, A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. And I think it's only just in shot, so you're just moving up one to G major. This is the highest note we'll need, which is G, B, and D, and then back down to F. Halfway through we can add the left hand in as well. It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to add in the left hand. We're just going to play C and G, and I guess this is where some of the guitar would come in. So we're kind of going to follow the right hand, just play C and G, and then F and C, so just following again the right hand but not playing the middle note, up to G and D, and then back down to F and C. So all together the intro goes. And then it's into the verse. So for the verse, the chord progression is exactly the same. You do that 4 times. The chord progression you've just played in the right hand, you do that 4 times. But then we can just keep the left hand going like this. So I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So slowing it down. Like that, just to give a bit more. Again, it's just to try and emulate a little bit what the guitar part is doing, so it has more of a pulse in there. Thursday night, everything's fine, except you've got that look in your eye when I'm telling a story and you find it boring. You're thinking of something to say, you go along with it and then drop it and humiliate me in front of our friends. Then I'll use that voice that you find annoying and say something like, yeah, intelligent input, darling, why don't you just have another beer then? Then you call me a bitch and everyone we're with will be embarrassed and I won't give a shit. Then it's on to the chorus. So I'm going to come down. There's still this going on up here, but just to make it differentiated, because we're doing a piano accompaniment just by itself, I guess we need to make sure it makes sense as a piano accompaniment, instead of just doing the piano part, which is very up here and twinkly. We need to just add a bit more depth in there as well if it's just with the piano and no other instrumentation. There's only one new chord, it's an A minor, so I'll just teach you that now. So it's A, C and E, with A's in the left hand. You don't have to play octaves. You can carry on playing in fifths, so A and E, or you can just play a single A, it's up to you. So the chords are on the screen and each chord is sort of played for 4 beats each. So I'm going to play it like this. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and just repeating my thumb, just trying to make it sound more full, but keeping the rhythm quite simple. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and etc. So I'll just demonstrate the chorus. Again, the chords are all on screen. It's how we played them before, but just an octave lower. My fingertips are holding onto the cracks in our foundation, and I know that I should let go, but I can't. And every time we fight, I know it's not right. Every time that you're upset and I smile, I know I should forget, but I can't. You said that. So the second verse, again, it's the exact same chord progression as the first verse, but we're just going to play the chords are broken up. I will generally show you what's sort of been played. So I'm going to go C, E, then E and G twice, and then C, G, E. So C, E, E and G, C, come up to F in the left hand. I'm going to move the E and G to F and A. So we've got second inversion of F major. And do the same pattern. So be like E, F, F and A twice, C, A, F, and back to C. So practice doing that movement. So again, same chord progression as the other verse, we're just playing the chords in a different way. And then this time, we're going to come up to F major root position. Same pattern, up to G, back to F. And you do that verse just through that chord progression twice. So I'll just demonstrate that now then. If you want to play this verse the same way as the first verse, you can do that as well. You said I must need so many lovers, 'cause I am so bitter. Said I'd rather be with your friends, 'cause they are much fitter. Yes, I was childish and you got aggressive, and I must admit that I was a bit scared, but it gives me thrills to wind you up. Into the chorus. My fingertips are holding onto the cracks in our foundation, and I know that I should let go, but I can't. And every time we fight, I know it's not right. Every time that you're upset and I smile, I know I should forget, but I can't. And then into the next verse, which we're going to play the same way as the second verse, but we do it 3 times this time. Your face is pasty, 'cause you've gone and got so wasted. What a surprise, don't want to look at your face, 'cause it's making me sick. You've gone and got sick on my trainers, I only got these yesterday. Oh my gosh, I cannot be bothered with this. I'll leave you there till the morning, and I purposely won't put the heating on. Dear God, I hope I'm not stuck with this one. And into the chorus, but twice through. The fingertips are holding onto the cracks in our foundation, and I know that I should let go, but I can't. And every time we fight, I know it's not right. Every time that you're upset and I smile, I know I should forget, but I can't. And every time we fight, I know it's not right. Every time that you're upset and I smile, It's just the same chords as the chorus, but we're going to play them even lower. I know my lowest note's out of shot, so we have F minor. I'm just going to hold them down. A minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And then it's just A octaves. I forgot my lowest A is out of shot, and then 1 A below middle C. So just as many A's as you have on your keyboard. And then that just rings out, and then that's how it ends. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.